Okay, you guys, so I'm back and I'm showing you how I'm going to attempt to make this glue for painting of the treasure chest. And um, I've never made glue for for getting ready to paint before, but you guys can see the treasure chest back there in the background now. Anyways, I'm just gonna put taking this pot and I'm just gonna put some water in there. I have no idea how much I'm gonna need, so this might be something that I'll have to do again. And then I'm just taking some cornstarch. You can also use flour. I'm just gonna take some cornstarch because it's what I have right now from working on a different DIY. So I'm taking some, look at me, already making a mess. I'm going to put a little bit more because that doesn't seem like a lot. Okay. There we go. That seems better. And then I have no idea how much of each I should use. I'm just using some white vinegar. You don't need a whole lot of white vinegar. I think that's good enough. And stir that up. So just stir that up and then turn on your stove to medium heat as you're stirring. Let's add a little bit more cornstarch. I can use my decoupage glue in order to paint, but I really like my Mod Podge glue, and I have another project that I'm working on like right after this where I'm going to need all of the Mod Podge glue, and I originally bought it for that project. So I thought that I would just try to make this white glue paste and see like how it turns out. Sorry, you guys, I'm missing your IM. I'm gonna let this just kind of cook for a little while. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask. Whew. I've gotten so far with this project, but I really, really wanted to paint early this morning and wasn't able to. Just had some other stuff I really wanted to do this morning. It's Saturday, and so I didn't get to start this part until like 3 o'clock today, which is quite late for me, considering I really wanted this to be the last day of this project. It feels like it's trying to thicken now with the heat. Let's hope that it continues to thicken. This is my first time making this, and it looks like majority of the people actually make it with whatchamacallit, the other stuff. Yeah, majority of the people are using flour, water, and I think a little bit of vinegar, but I decided to use cornstarch just to see because it's what I have in my cabinets. And then I'm probably supposed to let it sit too after I turn it off. So it's starting to boil now. Looks like I need to stir it a little bit more. It's finally starting to boil. Let's lower my temperature a little bit. Oh yeah, now it's turning into glue. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, you guys. See if I can let you guys see this. So it's finally starting to turn into glue. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I made my own glue paste. It's pretty cool. I think I'm going to lower it a little bit more. So I had it on high heat, and now I'm doing more of a low heat. Can you guys see it? It's starting to definitely turn into glue. I have never made my own glue before or even attempted to make my own glue, so this was like definitely something I wanted to try. Let's see. You guys can see it boiling. And then that's what it's looking like hot in the pan. So I'm going to continue to stir this a little bit more, putting it on even lower heat. Isn't that cool? It's really awesome. Very, very exciting to make my own glue paste. Very, very thick. Haven't decided where I'm going to store it. So let me see if I'm going to do Tupperware or if I'm going to do I might just do Tupperware. That's probably, yeah, I'm going to do this Tupperware right here. Let that cool for just a little bit before I put hot glue paste into plastic Tupperware bowl. I haven't decided if I'm going to start on the inside of the treasure chest and then work my way outside, or if I should start outside and then work my way inside. I have no idea. I've never painted a treasure chest before, so I don't know what would be the most like correct way or like beneficial, I should say. Like the most to where they won't, like, the paint won't stick together, obviously. So while it's drying, I might just do the inside first, let it dry, and then do the outside. I don't know. I have no idea. If there's some DIYers out there, and you can let me know in the next, like, 10 minutes while I'm preparing my glue, if I should paint from the inside of the treasure chest box, or should I paint from the outside of the treasure chest box. Let me know, because I have no idea which way I should do it. And I'm thinking about painting outside too, just because I think it would be better than painting inside of my house. All right, you guys, let me let this cool and I will be right back. Sorry that I'm missing your IMs. Please feel free to IM on the next video chat. I should be able to watch those a little bit closer. I've just been keeping my eye out on this glue so I don't burn anything. Okay, see you guys soon.